control robots cannot by image processing in MQTTs. So we start cam number 3 starts. Okay, now we already open. Labeling view cam number 1. So we do is set up robots and start scanning the app. Start scanning and send. Go to back. Okay. Now I am ready here. MQTT already connected. I need to open forward and backwards. From here we can move forward, right? Image processing. Go forward. When it sees the sign of this, the car moving forward. So it to move another sign forward. And next pictures still moving forward. See? Forward. Forward. Okay. So can say to that one. Forward. Forward. I just trying to. Okay, we move backwards. And is open side like this. Moving backwards. See? So robot can over the image process. See from here. But it's in sometimes it's incorrect. Backward. Backward. I need to develop your training data sets is for left and right is more relaxed. Now move backward. Turning left and right. Turning right first. Turning left and right. Right, you see? Turning right. Sometimes it's not properly because the data sets we just give them is not accurate. Turning right. Turning right, that's correct. Turn right, correct. Turn right. Okay. Turn left. Turn left. Okay. Turn right. Right, slide left. Okay. So we use image processing to control the car. Okay, right now we can control speed, control motor speed. Example here, sometimes it's correct, sometimes it's not perfectly. If 50s, speed 50s, okay, you can control motor speed by this one. 60s, 50s, okay. Speed 50s, sometimes it's not perfectly right. Speed 30s, speed 40s. 70, but sometimes rate is not correctly, but depend on the data set we give them. Data set is properly. We like the speed 30s. We change the motor speed to 30s. Forward, okay? Moving forwards, moving backwards. We change the stop camera, the stop camera from here and change data sets and models and YOLO. You can start YOLO and start camera, and now okay, I need to set the camera as well. Set camera and start.